has some left side problem, left eye or left stomach problem. So when you are stretching this line, this vertical line, you are giving arrow to energy. Understand this? What's the meaning of arrow? Go, yes. Go this way. This vertical line is in trouble. You just need to give little bit push. Just little bit push. And when energy is coming, because you are stretching. You are stretching. Automatically, energy will go which direction?
Arrow direction.
Yes, arrow direction. Arrow direction. Because this room is open for you. Please come. This is the concept behind. Okay. And then breathing. Breathing is very important. We'll be doing V1, V2, V3. So for this we have to in breathing 4 times. Breathing. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2, like this 4 times. So what you are doing, when first is 4 times breathing and then we are setting energy. And after that we will be in statue condition and allowing energy to flow in that meridian, and that time also 4 times breathing and return back to the origin. Okay. Now breathing purpose, you have to use chest and abdomen together. Not chest, not abdomen. Abhi karo. Just do it. Let us feel this breathing. First is you catch your exhaling time and after that you count. Exhale is important because everybody is breathing. Someone is exhaling now, inhaling now. So you catch the moment of exhaling. After exhaling, your count will start. Just do it. Okay, I'll count, I'll say exhale, so everybody is equal there. More focus on exhale. Because see, when baby is born, during delivery time, baby shrink, contraction, and the baby comes out, cry. Full expansion of lung and full energy comes, in a rush. Like this. So when you are empty, automatically what will happen? Yes. That is why exhaling part is more important. Inhaling will happen automatically. So breathe in. Exhale. Stay. Keep this exhaling until you feel a contraction point. After feeling that peak point of this stage, and automatically inhale will happen. Do it yourself. Long breathing. This is neutral, same time. After this process, naturally you will find that your inhale and exhale is taking same time. Line, any vertical line, and because of obstruction, this vertical line, energy is just one line is straight, but inside, because of obstruction, energy is this way, not flowing harmoniously. So when you stretch this line, stretch, what will happen?
Energy will flow.
Yes. This energy will flow as a result, because see, if this energy is flowing, energy doesn't know what a disease, whether it is cancer or Parkinson or psoriasis. Only thing is, energy needs harmonious flow. Please absorb this. That pathology, don't focus. So when you stretch this, automatically energy will flow, and when energy is flowing harmoniously, disease will not stay. Let it be any difficult disease. Why sun is shining so brightly? Why rose is so beautiful? Why rose is so beautiful? Very rhythmic and very good flow. Yes? So because after this you will be practicing this. You need to understand, and that is why don't be satisfied until and unless you achieve that perfection of stretching. This is not simple. This looks simple, but it is difficult, and also it is simple. When you understand this, it is simple. So Professor Park, Dr. Manju Park, he always guided us, just do it. Do it. For example, if I am stretching this V8, you will learn now step by step how to stretch this. Until you feel the sensation, don't return back to the origin. Because this kind of stretching is required. Okay, so now Sanvan Gong is exercise of energy, but what kind of exercise? Stretching. This concept should be clear. So when you stretch, you are giving, you are making pathway, you are cleaning, you are giving way to the energy so that energy can flow. If this energy is excessive in this pathway, I told you yesterday, it will, because it will spread harmoniously, equal distribution on this pathway or on this line. As a result, it will harmonize. And if it is deficient, it will uplift. Okay, so this you should not forget, and we will practice very seriously this time. And I am telling you one thing, after learning, because this 5 days we will be learning, but don't give up. After learning, you should practice this, just matter of 15 or 20 minutes. There are several exercises. First, yesterday we did joints, but before this joint exercise, we need to understand once more. Let's do revision, the pathways. Breathing 4 times. Open your eyes and separate. Focus your V8 line, bring your awareness to your V8 line, and with left arm. Arm coming forward. Middle 2 fingers going back. Chin also going up. Stretch. Breathing. upper fingers going back. Feel the maximum stretch. Focus your ankles. V1. Move. Lower fingers going back. Ankle. Upper V2. Arms going back. This is upper V2. So feel stretch here. This is also meditation, body meditation. Lower V2. On the ankle level also, lower arm also, lower leg, return. Four times breathing. bend, right hip bend, and stretch. Feel the stretch on left back side of your leg. Full stretching of upper V3. arms go towards left side and focus your heel point and neck point. Focus your wrist V5 point also. Return. Breathing. Lower V5. Turn. Arms coming forward. Lower fingers bend. Take support of left hand. And let your arms go left side and focus your heel point. Very beautiful body meditation. Here your soul, mind, body, life all participating. Return with smile. And 4 times breathing with smile. Smile. V6. If you are focusing V6 channel. Now upper V6 first. So we stretch this. Arm going back. Right arm, feel the stretch of V6. And neck. Feel upper V6 stretching. Breathing with smile. When prana comes inside with smile, then it is transformed. Energy is transformed. As a result, smile energy flows through your channels. Lower V6.
Neck V7 point. Stretch. Neck V7 point. Ankle V7 point. Wrist V7 point. Upper fingers. Ankle point also. Neck V7. V8 with the help of right arm. Arm coming forward. Little fingers going back. Chin slowly going up. Heavenly energies are blessing you. You are blessed. You can feel the nature now. They are smiling. Nature is smiling now.